Well, I've been on the road for 11 hours now. Finally in Montreal, Mirabel is where this dealer is. Got held up in Kingston. They shut down the 401, so that added about 3 hours. I left at about 9 this morning, had to get some money from the bank, and then yeah, that happened. So it's about 8 o'clock now, and so I'm just gonna check out this tractor here and then head back to Ottawa, which is another couple hours, and pick up one of the 4066Rs I bought, and then stay at Jim's place tonight, and then we're gonna shoot some awesome training content for you tomorrow. So let's take a quick tour of this place. They got a lot of machines, all set up with the Nokians. Man, got a couple of the new 4066Rs. We got a lot of them. I saw some 5s with some snow tires right there. They're definitely more snow oriented out here. This is kind of more of a city dealership, I guess. Oh, this one's even got a blower on it. Not the... Oh, okay, it's just a regular blower. With the scraper, they do that here for some reason. The Pro Fusion, that's a popular setup. 6155, yeah, that's a big girl. Well, yeah, 5125R. Let's see what training they got in this one. Don't tell me it's the command quad. It's the command quad, this thing's a piece of trash. Or I mean, no, you're good. It's just the up and down. That is ideal. Probably a nice unit. Now, where is my tractor I'm looking for? Truthfully, I don't really know what I'm looking for. I'm no expert on these things. But let's hop in it and take it for a bit of a spin. About with this one is I don't like the rust on it. It's a little bit old. So the price is pretty good, but it does have 4,000 hours and it does have some rust. So got a little bit of thinking to do on this one. Still at this dealership and I've just been looking around, and you know what? I'm going for a bit of a joyride. I got my key and nobody seemed to care that I was ripping around on the other 6430. So I'm taking this 6130R out for a spin. Never really run one of these, so let's see how she handles. Hopefully I don't set off any alarms or any crap like that. I need a size comparison. That's my excuse. Yeah. Oh, it's a fancy machine. Oof. We got our big swivelly seat. Big old screen. Oh, look, he's in it for us. So here's Looks like the width is pretty comparable. Just the cab is obviously significantly larger on the new R series. We're probably looking at about 6 inches more in height, something like that, I would estimate. Let's see how we're doing front to back. It didn't line them up perfectly, so that one's even a little further back. I would say we're only about a foot longer. So we're about a foot longer and about 6 inches higher on this one. So actually not quite as much as I expected. It looks a lot bigger because the hood's a little taller and whatnot. However, size is not crazy. It's definitely not out of hand. So, that's all I can tell you for today. I got another 2-hour drive ahead of me. So I'm gonna head back to Jim's place here, well actually to JR's, pick up that other tractor and then Jim's. And yeah, we'll see you over there. I'm gonna park this thing and we'll talk to you soon.